How to remove saved passwords on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. In this video, I will guide you on how you can remove saved passwords on Instagram. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So let's say you have an Instagram account and maybe your password is saved in. You can do many things to remove it. First of all, tap the three lines icon from the top right and then go to settings. Once you go to settings, go to security and then go to the option called save login information. Make sure to turn both of them. Once you have done that, we want to try to log out, so tap on the three lines icon and then just go to settings and scroll down and tap on the option called logout. So basically, as you can see, I'm on the login page now. Here tap on the gear icon from the login home page. So if you like to delete the details for a specific purpose, just tap on the remove profile. Tap on it and the profile will be removed and the password will also be successfully removed. So this is how easily you can remove saved passwords on Instagram. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.